So here's how to fix DISM error 87. Cleanup image option is unknown. First, you'll need to right click here and or open the Windows menu and search for services. Now open the services and then look for Windows modules installer, which is this one right here, and make sure it is running. Now if it's not running, you can simply double click on it and set the startup type to automatic, and then you can click on start here to start the service. Now you can click on apply and OK. Now you should go back to your CMD or run CMD as admin. And then you can simply type the following command, which is DISM /online /cleanup cleanup image -image, then /restore health, and then you can simply press enter, and that should run the command without any problems to fix that error. And if it still does not work, what you can do is restart your computer and run the CMD as admin again. That should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe